Hello and welcome back to another Photoshop video. In this video I want to look at this Cadillac and I would like to change some of the levels and do some editing to it to make the car more vibrant. So one way you could do it, and there's obviously a lot of ways to do it, is go to Image, go to Adjustment, go to Levels, and then what we can do is we can drag the white point here to the left, which makes the car brighter. So we just drag this to the left, you'll notice that the car becomes brighter. Now when you press OK, it does actually absorb it into the background, which is kind of not good because it means that you can't really do any other changes. So another way you could do this is you could go to this adjustments thing, and then this is the same one, levels, and then you can see you get basically the same graph, but you see what's actually happened this time is in the layers we have the layer mask, and you can actually hover over and it will tell you layer mask thumbnail, layer thumbnail. And then for instance I could do the same thing, drag this to the left. There's my brighter car. But then you can say, actually, I want to see what it was like before. So you can sort of take a look, see how it looks from before, if you want to keep it at that level. All right, so another type of adjustment we could do is with curves. So if I go here, this one is curves. And you'll see what's happened. It actually hasn't, when I do stuff here, for instance, I change the preset, it's actually doing the whole image. So it's actually ignoring my selection. So that selection took me a while to do. So I probably don't want to do it again, right? So what I can do is I can click here on the layer mask and hold down Alt. And hold down Alt, and I'm going to drag it in here. And you see now I've got the layer mask on this section as well. So if I do some of this stuff here, for instance, lighter, you can see that now I can do curves with it as well. So that is like a different way that we could do it. And then we could also, curves gives you access to this graph here. So this is the cool thing about working with metal textures. You can get some really like awesome effects with curves. I may have to do some more cast type stuff because when it comes to things that are made out of metal, cars are kind of pretty cool. So yeah, so you can get like an effect like that as well, which is pretty awesome. So another thing you can do is if you wanted to just only have this on certain parts of the car, you can choose brush, and I've gone for soft round brush, pretty large brush because the image you can see is quite big. And all you can do is, because you've got the selection right, if you just paint over it, it will just go back to before, and you'll see that it becomes painted on in the mask layer there. So we could just say I don't want that part of the car. And yeah. Anyway, that'll do for now, so thanks for watching.